Alright, let me try to explain again. So after me expose CMR,
This is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones. More of the people them just tune in right now. Like and subscribe on them channel. Seeing this is a brand new release from
him reach out to me in text and him actually call me. Me never did not call him back. But the text, when I read the text, me kind of feel bad for him. And me actually, when me call him back now, like, we are reason, and he must say, why you do this to me, blah, blah, blah. And, I'm sorry for him. And him tell me if I just go live and tell him say a prank.
Yeah.
And me agree to it. I did agree to it because me did feel bad for him.
Shani,
You
me can.
understand? So after CMR come off of the phone, after him tell me say him want me do that for him, me never charge that man, me never tell that man to send me no money or nothing for do nothing. You understand? And me say, well,
Yeah.
if I wanna feel like say the man pay me for do this and do that, me do it from the kindness of my heart because me say me feel sorry for him and he get bad or whatever. After me go live and tell the people them say a prank, after me come off of the phone, me say Ashanti call me and ask me why me go live for him after him do so much things to me. And me say, what you mean? Like me still feel bad for him because me would want nobody really do me that. You understand? And my intention
Yeah.
wasn't to really do that anyways. And me proceed for you say him ball and he need to beg me or whatever. And the man record me and me never know say him have me for record, Until last night.
Yeah, man, do you think, man? I want juice more. I want one of them juice. I give me one of them juice.
The man record me a chat and him make it after last night him go live
Oh,
and
what
make
this?
me look like a pussy. And in all honesty, as much as CMR take advantage of me because I'm vulnerable, me still did want to help him out of the situation. That was my aim. To come back and trick the public, tell lie for him. Him never pay me no money. And
So
Wally
let me,
British go live and tell pure lie for me last night. Wally British don't know me. The reason why Wally British know of me is because me call her phone because I'm in a one situation where him CMR make me in a. You understand? Because as me repeat, me did a go to school, me did a work, and me did alright which part me day. And him did still a mess around with me sexually. You understand?
so a long time
So
then.
it's
So how
like
long this been going on?
for
A long time this
months,
a go on.
months. Honestly, I'm gonna make a YouTube video about it. So I can explain
So let
everything
me
in
so let me ask you a
detail.
question, Shani. Yeah, you have feelings for that?
Of course she's
I
in
did.
love.
I did. I
Of
did.
course, me too.
I'm just really tired of it. Like, I just want to be single. This marriage thing, this whole commitment, it just gets into me. I don't know. I recently just have the baby. She's 4 months, almost 5 months. In a couple of days, she'll be 5 months. So, sometimes I just want them around my kids. I just don't want in the relationship no more. It's just too stressing. Too much extra work, husband. So it's like I have 5 kids to take care of, and it's really getting to me. Really, really. The responsibility of a husband is not my thing no more. I feel like I have to take care of him too much, and I have to be doing too much, and it's not fair. Then if I say something, I'm too miserable, and I just want to be miserable by myself. It's like my friend keep telling me, oh, you need to work out your marriage, your relationship, this, that. But she don't understand. You're not gonna get it. Like, if you're in my shoes, then you'll understand. Nobody will get it. You're not in my shoes, so it's like you're not gonna understand. I can't bother. I just can't bother. It's really getting to me now. I don't even want in the house with him. It's just, I don't know. I want to be single. I want to move out. or him have to move out. Because when we have certain conversation with him out, and I just saw it go relationship not end like that. So I'm gonna have the argument with you because I'm tired of this. So I'm gonna say something to him. Like, me just tired of it. Me just want to be by myself. The kids them is enough. Me have to take talking from them or them take talking from me, and that is enough for me right now. The whole relationship business, the whole husband, the commitment, the doing this as a wife, I'm tired of that, you know. I enjoyed being a wife, I love it, but I'm just tired of it. I'm just tired. Me can't do it no more. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if anybody ever feel like that. It's like you just want to give up. Too much. It's just too much now. I cannot. I just cannot. It's really stressing me out.
Bad food, you know. Steam I get up. Yeah. Two dumpling. I don't know where I go.